This Earth Day, let's focus on the health of our planet and how your business can help.
Going green isn't just about being eco-friendly. It can also mean more green in your bank account through lower monthly bills. For small and mid-sized businesses, utilities and fuel are big expenses. But there are cost-effective ways to change your energy habits and positively impact your bottom line. Start with smart thermostats, which adjust to your needs and can save an average of 8% on utility bills, ensuring comfort and efficiency in the workplace. Insulate and seal your facilities to keep the elements out and your energy costs down. Simple fixes can lead to dramatic savings. Upgrade to energy-efficient office equipment and machinery. Not only do they consume less power, but they can also improve performance. Regular HVAC maintenance ensures air flows freely, reducing stress on your systems and energy bills alike. Illuminate your workspace with LED lighting for a bright, cooler, and more cost-effective environment. Conduct an energy audit to spot excessive usage. Understanding where energy goes can help you cut costs and consumption. Embracing these energy-saving tips requires some investment, but the savings can be substantial. Plus, you could benefit from tax breaks for your eco-friendly efforts. This Earth Day, commit to sustainability. Contact us for guidance on how to make your business more energy efficient and profitable. Go green and save green. Your business can make a difference. For the planet. For your community. For your bottom line. Let's get started.